Breathing in spray paint fumes or other toxic chemicals can be a scary experience, leaving you wondering how to protect your lungs and get back to feeling normal. Whether you've accidentally inhaled these substances during a DIY project or while working with chemicals, the good news is that there are effective ways to help your lungs recover, which is what we're going to cover in this video. So keep watching to explore the simple yet powerful steps you can take to clear your lungs and safeguard your respiratory health after inhaling spray paint or other toxic chemicals. Step number 1 is to move to fresh air immediately. Moving to fresh air is the first and most critical step when dealing with spray paint inhalation. The chemicals in spray paint can cause significant harm to your lungs, and continuing to breathe them in will only worsen the situation. By quickly relocating to an area with clean, unpolluted air, preferably outdoors, you reduce the risk of further exposure and allow your lungs to begin the process of expelling the inhaled toxins. Just note, this immediate action is essential to minimize the initial impact on your respiratory system. Number 2, practice deep breathing. Deep breathing exercises can be highly effective in clearing your lungs of inhaled spray paint particles. When you breathe deeply, you expand your lungs, which helps in dislodging and expelling trapped irritants. To do this, find a comfortable, upright position. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold the breath for a few seconds, then slowly exhale through your mouth. Repeating this process several times encourages better oxygen exchange, helps ventilate your lungs, and supports the natural cleansing process of your respiratory system. Number 3, stay hydrated. Staying hydrated plays a crucial role in helping your body clear out toxins, including those from spray paint inhalation. Drinking plenty of water helps to thin the mucus in your lungs, making it easier to expel inhaled particles and irritants. Hydration also supports overall lung function by keeping your airways moist, which is essential for the cilia, the tiny hair-like structures in your respiratory tract, to move effectively and clear debris. Consistently drinking water throughout the day aids in flushing out harmful substances and promotes quicker recovery. Number 4, steam therapy. Steam therapy is an effective method to open up your airways and loosen mucus that may have trapped spray paint particles. Inhaling steam helps to moisturize your respiratory passages, reducing irritation and making it easier to expel toxins. To perform steam therapy, boil water and pour it into a bowl. Carefully inhale the steam by leaning over the bowl with a towel draped over your head to trap the steam. The soothing process not only clears the lungs, but also provides immediate relief from respiratory discomfort caused by inhaled chemicals. Number 5, coughing techniques. Controlled coughing is a natural and effective way to help clear your lungs of inhaled spray paint particles. Coughing helps to dislodge and expel mucus that may be trapping irritants in your respiratory system. To practice this, sit in a comfortable upright position, take a deep breath, and then cough sharply 2 or 3 times while keeping your mouth slightly open. This technique, known as huff coughing, helps to move mucus up through the airways without straining your lungs, promoting the clearance of harmful substances and supporting lung recovery. Number 6, use a humidifier. Using a humidifier in your living space can be beneficial for clearing your lungs after spray paint inhalation. A humidifier adds moisture to the air, which helps soothe irritated airways and keeps the mucus in your lungs thin and more easily expelled. The added humidity can also reduce inflammation and discomfort in the respiratory tract, promoting quicker recovery. Regularly using a humidifier, especially in dry environments, can provide ongoing support for your respiratory health by maintaining optimal moisture levels in the air you breathe. Number 7, avoid further exposure. Preventing further exposure to spray paint fumes is essential for protecting your lungs and overall health. Once you've inhaled spray paint, it's crucial to avoid any additional contact with the chemicals. Always use proper protective gear, such as a high-quality mask designed to filter out paint fumes, and ensure that you work in well-ventilated areas when using spray paint in the future. Taking these precautions minimizes the risk of respiratory irritation and long-term damage, allowing your lungs to recover without further harm. Number 8, seek medical attention if needed. If you experience persistent or worsening symptoms after inhaling spray paint, such as shortness of breath, chest pain, dizziness, or severe coughing, it's important to seek medical attention promptly. These symptoms could indicate a more serious respiratory issue that requires professional treatment. A healthcare provider can assess your condition, provide appropriate care, and advise on further steps to protect your lung health. Early intervention can prevent complications and ensure that your lungs heal properly. But now, let's talk about the hazardous chemicals in spray paint that make it so toxic. As previously mentioned, spray paint contains a mix of chemicals that can pose significant health risks, especially when inhaled or ingested. The key components contributing to these hazards include solvents, propellants, pigments, resins, and additives. Solvents dissolve and mix pigments and resins, creating a smooth texture in spray paint. Common solvents like acetone, toluene, and xylene can irritate the respiratory system, eyes, and skin. Prolonged inhalation may lead to neurological damage and organ harm. Used to expel paint from the can, propellants like hydrofluorocarbons ensure an even spray. However, inhaling high concentrations can cause dizziness, disorientation, and in severe cases, asphyxiation. Pigments give spray paint its color, often derived from metal compounds. Some, such as those containing lead, cadmium, or chromium, are toxic and can cause neurological and respiratory problems, and in extreme cases, cancer. Resins or binders help paint adhere to surfaces. While not inherently dangerous, some resins contain volatile organic compounds that, when inhaled, can irritate the respiratory system, eyes, and cause headaches and dizziness. Additives enhance spray paint's performance, such as drying time and UV resistance. However, they may also contain harmful chemicals that pose health risks when inhaled, ingested, or absorbed through the skin. And keep in mind that spray paint formulations vary in their ingredients and concentrations of hazardous chemicals. So, to reduce risks, opt for low VOC or water-based spray paints, and always use proper ventilation and protective gear when working with spray paint. And as we wrap up, you should know about the other ways to help remove toxic substances from your lungs. Engaging in regular physical activity, particularly cardiovascular exercises like running, swimming, or cycling, is one of the best ways to increase lung capacity and promote deeper breathing. This enhanced breathing helps your lungs expel trapped toxins more efficiently while boosting circulation to aid in the removal of harmful substances throughout the body. Another helpful technique is chest percussion or chest physiotherapy, which involves rhythmically clapping on the chest and back to loosen mucus in the lungs. This method, often used for individuals with respiratory conditions, can also benefit anyone looking to detoxify their lungs by making it easier to cough up and clear out toxins. Minimizing exposure to allergens such as pollen, dust mites, and pet dander is another crucial step in protecting your lungs. Allergens can irritate the respiratory system and exacerbate lung problems, so using air purifiers, keeping living spaces clean, and avoiding outdoor activities during high pollen times can significantly reduce inflammation and help your lungs focus on clearing harmful substances. Additionally, incorporating herbal remedies like eucalyptus, thyme, and mullein into your routine can support lung health. These herbs, consumed as teas, tinctures, or used in steam inhalation, help soothe the lungs, reduce inflammation, and promote toxin clearance. Essential oils such as eucalyptus, peppermint, and tea tree oil can also support respiratory health by opening the airways, reducing inflammation, and soothing irritated tissues when inhaled through a diffuser or steam. Consuming antioxidant-rich foods like berries, spinach, and nuts further enhance lung health by combating oxidative stress and supporting the body's natural detoxification process. Lastly, avoiding secondhand smoke and artificial scents, which contain harmful chemicals and volatile organic compounds, help prevent additional damage and allows your lungs to recover more effectively from previous exposure to toxins. By following these methods, you can help your lungs function more efficiently and protect your respiratory health. And always remember that if symptoms like shortness of breath, chest pain, or severe coughing persist, seeking medical attention is crucial. These symptoms could indicate more serious respiratory issues requiring professional treatment. Early intervention can prevent complications and ensure that your lungs heal properly, safeguarding your respiratory health in the long term. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And there should be some other helpful videos popping up on your screen right about now that I think you will enjoy. And just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. And as always, breathe easy, my friend.